Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to use portrait mode camera setting in Realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see there was many more different app icons shown in your mobile phone like that. You have to see here. Firstly you have to move up, and firstly you have to click on that camera icon. See here, so click on the camera icon. Then you have to see here many more options in your mobile phone. If you want to know how to use portrait mode camera setting in your mobile phone, so firstly click on that portrait mode option. After clicking on here, you have to see there was many more options shown in your mobile phone. So you have to move up, and firstly you have to click a photo in the portrait mode. After clicking your photo, you have to view your video or photo. In this way you have to see your photo is much more clear than the normal photo. So if you want to take clear photo than normal photo, so you have to use portrait mode camera setting in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.